In this video we'll take a look at the basic functions when navigating around policies and procedures articles. The main page displays a navigator to the left and the contents of the article to the right. On a mobile device, the main screen just shows the content, and the navigator is collapsed to a link at the top of the screen. Above the navigator is a search box, which is the main place to search through the articles in that particular wiki. Below that is a home link which will always take you back to the first page in the wiki. The contents sidebar will show a list of all the pages at the top level. As you click on an article, it will show the articles above it, its sub-articles, indented, and then the articles below it. Wherever you are in the hierarchy of articles, it will always show you the parents of each of the levels up from the current article. To get to other articles, you sometimes have to click a parent level first, and then find the page you need. To the top right of the article body, there are a series of stars, which you can use to add your own opinion on the article in the form of a star rating. If you have not yet rated an article, then it will show light blue stars. Once you click on a star to provide your own rating, it will then show you the average of all users' ratings for that article. A manager can view individual ratings by using Explore and clicking the Rating History tab underneath the article. Next to the article title will be a drop-down arrow icon. Clicking this shows a drop-down menu of actions that can be taken. We'll run through those now. Use the Insert action to add a new article, which will always be done relative to an existing article. So if you want to insert a new article above another article, you would go to that article first, select Insert in here, and then select Above Article. You'll also notice an action to insert a downloaded template from the cloud library. This lets you select a pre-written page from our library of policies, such as policies used in an employment manual. Keep in mind though, for either of these options, you will need to have the Wiki Manager role set on your user. Otherwise, an approver must be set, and they will have to approve the submission. The Move drop-down menu action is how you move articles around in the table of contents. It allows you to specify where to move the article, as well as its relative position to another article. You can move it anywhere in the hierarchy of the wiki. If you want to make it a subpage of another article, this may be done by selecting the parent article and as sub-article in the Move Where drop-down menu of the Move action. You can use the Remove action to delete a page. Note though, you will either need to be a wiki manager or get approval before the removal will be committed. Use the Update action to make a modification to a page or to request a modification. Whether the change is applied immediately or instead sent for approval will depend on whether the approver is set on the article or one of its parent articles. At the bottom of the wiki page is a link called Explore. If you click this, you will be taken to the data view of the article, where you can see additional information such as the article's change history, any outstanding tasks or checklists, the article's access history, in other words, who has viewed the page and when it was viewed, the full list of approvers, and the list of users who have acknowledged and signed off on that article. That wraps up our summary of the navigation features of Staff.Wiki. You can find more information in our user guide.